Oh man, this one. We're on this one. We're on the sixth floor. It looks a little bit bigger, maybe. So we got the hotel room. We're room 605. Here's the card. Let's go.
Let's go.
Here we go. As soon as we walk in, there's a little desk. Okay. If I want to, edit my little working area. The light is a bit yellow.
Very dim.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of that, not gonna lie. In here, we have, oh man, is there a light here? Okay, nice light. You got a little faucet. We got water. $5 for Evian water. Microwave, coffee. This is our fridge. We got a little mini fridge. We got a little couch. We have a sofa bed, another one. Ooh, we have a little coffee table with a little chair. It's pretty cool. We have a TV. I believe it's about a 50-inch. Let's check out the view. Okay. Oh, we have a little balcony. Okay. Notice. Safety instructions. Please secure both sliding glass door lock. Okay. Should I say? Okay. I didn't know it came with the sliding door. A little balcony. Okay. Is there a light? There's no light. But we got the freeway. You can see the pool. We can see next door. Or is that our room? Yeah, there's no light. I think that's our room. That's our bedroom.
Oh, enter.
Hey. See, is this our bedroom? Oh, it is our bedroom. So if I'm outside, Jackie will know I'm outside. I'll be like, I want a break. Okay. But it is kind of noisy, but you don't really hear it. Let me close the door. Okay. I don't know, it came with a little balcony. They didn't say anything about that on the a little thermostat right there. Jackie sounds happy.
Oh, look, it's fluffy.
Oh, that's for you. You got a little safe, little closet. And this is the king bed.
King bed. Now, wait. Okay.
Is it okay? Okay.
Okay.
So, how was the bed?
More softer than the other one.
Okay. So
I feel like this is more of a spring.
another 50-inch. Oh yeah, I feel it. Got a view from our room.
Look, they gave us a balloon.
There's no way. Say Oreo. Oh my God, I was like, there's no way. When did she get that? When?
I got it from the car.
I didn't even know we had it. Oh man, she got me. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is our bathroom. So it comes with a little bathtub. We got a toilet. We have a air dryer, blow dryer. A sink. Oh, careful, Skyler. No. Careful, mamas. We got a little sink. Although I thought our sink was gonna be bigger with the.
And then.
See? So if I want to sneak out, I just go through here and go.
Oh, I lock you in here.
Whatever, I can go the other way. So yeah, this is the room. Okay. Here's the toilet. Let's do a little flush test. The seat is a little bit loose.
Did you see the mini fridge?
Yeah, I saw the mini fridge. So yeah, this is our room. Comes with the hand soap. Also, soap right here when we want to take a shower. So yeah, this was a battle of the Embassy Suites. It comes with both of them. Well, this one also comes with free breakfast is included. There's a bar downstairs which you didn't record, but maybe I'll go record it in a bit. And yeah, so I just noticed this. You could plug in your USB, but they're USB A, and then it comes with the outlets here. So that's a cool little feature you have here on this little couch. So the difference between this hotel and the other one is this one only has 2, and the other one had 4 elevators. So, but it has a cleaner look. It looks like this one has more rooms, so might be a little bit bigger. So it looks like this place has a fitness center, and you need a key. You want to check it out? Or the pool? Oh, we have an indoor pool and an outdoor pool. Wow. Okay. We got a little TV remote right there. Got dumbbells. You know, your boy be hitting the gym lately, you know? Getting my gains. Yeah, 5 pounds. Yeah. Hey, that was pretty light. Hold on, let's go with 10. Okay. No, all right. Let's go with 15. Oh, okay. Okay, starting to feel it now. 20. Ah, yeah. Okay, let's not hurt my wrist. As you can tell, your boy does not work out. Got treadmill. I'm going to the gym lately, so I've been hitting the treadmill. We got elliptical. We got medicine balls. This is pretty heavy, so be careful. We got a water drinking station. Oh, children under 16 are not permitted in the fitness center. Let's get out. Scarlett, you're not allowed here. Before we get in trouble. Pool hours are from 7 to 10. Children under 14, yeah, go ahead. You tap, and then you open. Be careful, it's behind you. Scarlett, let's get it.
Oh yeah, you smell the chlorine.
Oh yeah. Boom.
Okay, let me try it.
Oh. Now like a shower. Indoor pool, outdoor restroom. Looks like people were in here recently. It's 3.5 feet. Okay, is it heated? No, it's just room temperature. Yeah. Here's the regular pool. This is what we can see from my room. And then we have a jacuzzi. So, okay, it's nice. The only thing is like it's like right next to the street. So I don't know how comfortable I'd feel about that. And then also you can kind of see inside here. So I don't know. The layout's a little bit careful. We got a vending machine, 2 vending machines, one with snacks, one with drinks, a nice dispenser, and a laundry room. Like somebody's washing, so. Yeah,
That's why
I know. I'm sorry. Yeah, she just walks in. Come on over. Oh yeah. Okay. So we have a dryer, commercial. and a washer. 2 washers. 1. And you get to pay with that. And then it says detergent, soap, and fabric softener available at front desk lobby. So if you guys want to wash, you guys can wash here. And it's about $4 just to wash. Oh wait, no. Yes, it's $4. Oh, $4 also to dry. Let us know what you guys think. If you guys are interested in staying in this embassy suite or the other embassy suite, just let us know. And then also let us know which embassy suite is better. Is it this one or the other one? You know? So I'll let you guys be the judge of that. Okay? So again, if you guys are just new to our channel, subscribe. If you are new, hit that like button. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok. We'll post all of our stuff there. We're going on a vacation soon, so we're going to have another hotel review soon. So look out for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.